Good day everyone, how you doing? It is very happy to see you again into our another video, and also welcome back to our channel. So have you ever wondered how can I get the free certification from the certain skill, or are you the job seeker and now you are focusing to leveling up your skill, and hopefully it will also help you to get the better job. So in this video, I will recommend you to try the JobStreet application that also allows you to get the certification free, and just let's get into it. So if you are the user of Android, don't forget to install it or download it from the Play Store or Google App Store. Or if you are the user of iOS or the iPhone, you you please download it or install it first from the App Store. And here's the look. I've already installed it for you, and let's get started. I will click the job street here, and this is the home page when you, let's say you are in a seeking for the job. And also this is the look when I've already logged in into my profile, because the if you are not logged in yet, the name here will not appear. And I will direct my menu here into the career. Click here. This is the career hub, and there are three sections. There are feed, skills, and also the community. So let's talk about the skills. Let's say are need to you are needing to get a certification from the for the let's say for this English from the for the beginner, then you will click this section. It is also depends on the setting of your application or the phone. Since I live in Indonesia, then this look of the app and also every single courses and also certification here will be written in Indonesian. But if you adjust your profile into the your original language, then will this certification will also adjust it into your region or into your the location that you live. Let's say I will choose this certification, the English for the beginner, and these are the three episodes that you need to enroll. And after that, after you finish all the progress, let's say after you finish all these three courses, then you will obtain the certificate free. And please try, because I believe that your future is really on ahead, and I believe you can reach that. That's it, guys. I hope this video helpful for you. If you find this video helpful and is there any request, please don't forget to put it on the comment section. And if you would like to know about our another video tutorial, please don't forget to follow and also subscribe this channel. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.